Welcome back to Go Time. We are out here once again.
We are at Dylan's place today, and we're going to be chucking the 4AG, which is back here in the background, into this burnt wood thing.
Into the car.
Into the car.
It's gonna happen.
This is actually really exciting. We didn't even know we were going to do this today.
Yeah, we were like, what can we do? What can we do? Maybe put an engine in the car.
Maybe make the car do a car thing.
Here the bad boy is.
Yeah, no one's actually. Has anyone seen it together?
No, not really.
Dylan's been hacking away in his spare time. We don't get like a huge amount of opportunities to film together, and Dylan's just been sanding it in his spare time.
So I got it all together. Everything's on there. Everything's talked to spec.
Is it actually?
Yeah. I mean, except for the intake and exhaust manifolds.
Except for pretty much everything that is in the head.
I talked to spark plugs in there.
Nice.
I talked the cam.
That's a first. I've never done that.
Yeah, I talked to the cam police.
Yeah, I hope so.
I haven't talked the crank bolt though because that's huge and it's easy when it's in the car.
Yeah, stick the handbrake on and put it
so
in gear.
Everything's on there. There's this weird thing right here. I don't really know what this is, and there's these four little guys.
Strange.
I hear that
there's only one of these.
Yeah, what the hell?
What is
and it's
going
really
on?
big.
And I think we gotta attach this like digital computer thing.
Computers?
And it like, does all this squirting and
What the heck?
weird. Yeah. This is genuinely weird seeing EFI in your car. Like I actually think this is gonna look so strange in your car.
It's gonna look so different.
Like your whole personality is just you having carbs.
Just being a dumbass. What we have to do is we have to put the flywheel and clutch on before it goes in the car, because though I'm not really seeing this necessarily as the final install, I just need to get it in so that I can start getting the lengths for all of the ECU harnesses, the engine harness.
It's best to like get that started now. Even if you get the lengths and stuff and have to take it out, you needed to do it.
But I'll sort of do everything that is immediately apparent that I need to do to put the engine into the car and leave it in there, though I'm not necessarily feeling like this is the last time it'll be in there.
That's fine.
I'll put the clutch and flywheel on anyway, just so it's not automatically having to come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do everything you can to make it not come out.
Yeah, so let's get this up on the
And unfortunately Dylan usually uses a chain, which is what I usually do as well, but we can't find it, so we got straps instead.
It's much nicer on my ears at least.
That is true. Dylan has old man ears, if you remember episode number 1.
And number 2 and number 3, where I complain about it constantly.
Dylan's had old man ears the whole time, believe it or not.
Whoa!
They have not been fixed yet.
Come back to me when you find a cure for tinnitus.
We can't claim to be a science channel and not find a cure for it.
That's true.
Dude, imagine like full backflip. We've just been studying like a medical degree for like 4 years, and then we just ditch the channel and be scientists.
That'd be pretty lit. If only I had half a brain.
Dude, if only that was actually partially even somewhat true. Shit.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Hey,
especially
imagine having an education.
Dude,
wait, you have an education?
Yeah, dude, don't do me like that. I got one of them educations.
One of them pieces of paper. That's how you torque a flywheel.
Done. Yeah.
Heyo.
Sick.
And all it took was being a dumbass.
When in doubt,
I'll get dug it.
I'll get dog it. Damn.
Damn.
With it. Gearbox is now on the engine, and we have to crawl it out of here. There's like a massive lip on the ground, so we got to lift it all up, and
It's not pleasant.
we'll get there. So usually we use a chain and you can level it a lot easier, but because of the ratchet strap it's just like slipped through. So we're just trying to think of makeshift solutions to get the engine flatter, because it's not going to go in like this. So we had a little bit of trouble trying to line up the gearbox mount. Dylan is currently in there trying to line it up. I just had to line up the shifter a little bit from the interior, like pull it up, because I think that was messing with it a bit. So now the car's on jack stands, it's a bit higher up. But we have 4AG. 4AG. And for anyone that's followed Dylan's car for a lengthy period of time, they will feel as I feel right now and think this intake looks weird. Which it does, but it looks sick. Looks so tidy, man.
Yeah.
Dylan used like plastic restoration paint for the front here and it looks unreal. Oh, and shout outs to the guy that gave Dylan those stickers because he watches, I think.
Yeah.
And or follows. Something. Something Go Time related, and he gave Dylan a few freebies like a mad dog.
Alright, I got one of the bolts in the transmission crossmember. Cool. Hand is covered in gear oil.
Oh, it smells so
This
bad.
is images you can smell.
So Dylan's engine is all neat and tucked in, and this was quite a short video, but this is a massive moment.
Yeah,
This is sick.
we sort of decided just to do what we could today.
Yeah, because
And
we've
that
got to
was-
do other like little nitpicky stuff, which we'll do in our spare time.
Yeah.
And I think the next video will be possibly putting shockworks in my car.
Yeah, that'll probably be that.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they're ready, because they get made to order, which is sick.
For this car, next up, I just have to have this engine in here so I can sort of start figuring out how long the engine loom's going to be.
Yep.
And start, routing everything from my ECU to my engine. I'll probably have to drill a hole in the firewall somewhere, but we'll see about that. I'll just decide that later.
Later. Future
Yeah.
Dylan problem.
That's pretty much it for this. I just have to get the ECU and shit all in there and plumbed up and get my water stuff going and then get a tune on it and then
Send it.
probably fiddle with it for about another month and then it'll be done.
Fiddle with it for ages. Thanks for watching.
That's it. Don't forget to hit that MF like button.
And check out our new website. We got blogs and like detailed photography lists on there, which is sick. We're going to try our best to update those. Cool.
Thanks heaps for watching.
Bye.